if you ever want any riches, first you must eliminate all the motherfucking snitches.
You woke up this morning, got yourself a gun. Your mama always chosen one. She said, you're one in a million, you got to burn the shine. But you were born under a bad sign with a blue moon in your eyes. And you woke up this morning, all that love had gone. Your papa never told you about right and wrong. But you're looking good, baby. I believe you're feeling fine. Shame about it. Born under a bad sign with a blue moon in your eyes. Let's sing it. Woke up this morning, got a blue moon, got a blue moon in your eyes. So sad. Shame about it. Woke up this morning, got a blue moon, got a blue moon in your eyes. Woke up this morning. Woke up this morning.
Fucking prick!
We turned upside down, and all the love things ain't been the same. This was the blues going to town. But you're one in a million, 'cause you got that shotgun shine. Shame about it. Born under a bad sign with a blue moon in your eyes. Yeah. Woke up this morning, got a blue moon in your eyes. So sad. Shame about it. Woke up this morning, got a blue moon in your eyes. Woke up this morning, just can't help yourself. Yeah. When you woke up this morning, everything was gone by 10:30. Your head was going ding dong, ringing like a bell from your head down to your toes. Like a voice trying to tell you there's something you should know. Last night you were flying, but today you're so low. Ain't it times like these that you wonder if you never know the meaning of things, or they appear through the others? Wives, husbands, fathers, sisters, and brothers. Don't you wish you didn't function? Don't you wish you didn't think beyond the next paycheck and the next little thing? Well, you do, so make up your mind to go on. But when you woke up this morning, everything you had was gone. Woke up this morning. Woke up this morning. Woke up this morning. You wanna be the chosen one. Yeah, you know it. Just can't help yourself. Woke up this morning. Woke up this morning.
In it, mate.
Booyakasha.
Oh, this is strange. Did I forget to turn the lights off when I left? Oh, my sunshine Sinok, what are you doing here? It was supposed to be my greenhouse for my lovely plants.
Enough of this bullshit, mama. From now on, we're only gonna be doing entertaining, useful, and legal things.
Like what, my puppet?
Like what? Well, you know, before we got busted, we were packing for 5 years, and while we were packing, we were watching all them crappy car programs.
Whatever you do, my puppet, for me it is booyakasha.
Well, let's show these fuckers then.
There's no need to swear, my puppet.
Well, what am I supposed to do, mama, but swear? I came to this country 25 fucking years ago. I forgot how to speak Russian. I haven't learned how to speak English like a true English gent. And these fuckers came here and stole everything. And oh man. Hey guys, remember this day. This is the day when you have started watching decent TV shows. We are tired for years and years trying to find some TV show that actually tells you how to fix something or how to do something and is entertaining. You get this boring bastards wiping their car for about 3 hours, jerking on it, walking around it, filming it. Boring shit. What we have decided, we're gonna cut to the chase and keep it real. By keep it real, we mean we're not gonna be filming like dreamy cars, Ferraris and all that expensive crap and then tell you to go and get it fixed by someone else. We're gonna buy cars that are affordable to buy and affordable to run, and we're gonna hopefully show you and tell you how to do it yourself or cheaply. So this is series 1, my friends, and for you we have 5 cars, well 4 we've got here at the moment. So E35 2005 7 Series diesel. We just had an engine replaced, 6 injectors replaced, turbo replaced, a lot of electronic replaced. Now is the time to start making it look sexy. So I'm probably gonna start off with polishing it all, which we're gonna show to you. Obviously we're gonna redo the wheels. They used to be chrome, believe it or not. I mean, they're still chrome, but these days, you know, that's the kind of wheels that they make. You pay $1,000 for the wheels, and 2 years they lasted me and all the chrome peels off. So if you want to get them re-chromed, it costs you about $1,000, probably $1,000 and a bit actually. We're gonna show you how to get them resprayed yourself for about 20 quid. So that kind of stuff. Inside we're gonna show you how to cure all the leather, make it nice and soft again. All these bits really devalue the car. The foot panels or whatever they're called, they get really scratched up, and you can sand them down, respray them, take you about 10 minutes and you'll look spot on. Yeah, gonna do all these wheels up, repolish it all, so you know we're gonna concentrate quite a bit on this car in the show. But to start off with, I think for any car enthusiast, if you want to be doing some kind of work in your car all through the year, yeah, you're either lucky enough to have a garage, but if you compare this garage to this car, you can, I think, see straight away that what's the problem with it?
So small.
Exactly, so fucking small. I mean, how can you build a garage like this so that you can't even fit a mid-sized family car into it? Mid-sized family car can't fucking get in there. Anyways, so if this is the problem that happens to you, you need to invest into one of these. Now, if you go online and type in like a portable car garage, it'll probably cost you at least 500 quid. Disgusting money. What we have come up with Walid here, he's here, let me show you Walid. The main man, Walid, Wall, we call him. Anyway, by the way, my name is Don, he's Wall. He's the camera operator and he'll be showing you how to do loads of stuff as well. But the main thing about him, he's actually Egyptian engineer, the one who helped to build pyramids. So I got him over here from Egypt to help me to put this up. Basically, we got this off eBay, I think, for 70 quid. It was a flimsy, you know, crappy one which you just put up, have a party and chuck away. But we spent about 2 days reinforcing it. Cost us about 10 quid in materials to reinforce it. Now it's, I mean, proper sturdy. This would last for ages. But of course, it didn't last, as the tiniest funny fart caused it to collapse. But that's for later though, so bros, enjoy my show. So come in here guys, we'll show you how to properly put it up so that it doesn't fall on your lovely car. Oh yeah, by the way, this is the E34 1995 2-litre 520, which we'll be working on, concentrating again quite a bit on it. When you get a classic car like this, have a look, make sure you get it with these kind of rims. That's actually a bonus. Don't look for one with you know, big alloys. That means he's been probably some rude boy, wannabe gangster G, you know, drug dealer, or probably bought it, trashed it, all the suspension's knackered. So you want to have classic wheels like this, and they're usually not very curved. You can very quickly repair this, make it look spot on, sell it for a set of wheels go for about 200 quid, the classic ones. Put them towards the wheels that you want. But yeah, important, don't chuck them away, and make sure you try and get one with one of these. Anyway, we're not here to talk about this at the moment. We'll have a whole program on this. We're gonna concentrate on this for 5 seconds. So basically, you get yourself a cheap gazebo. This was a 4x2. We didn't have enough space, so we made it. I know it was 5, I think. We cut a meter off and just pulled it down the other side. And it was so flimsy. Basically, a wind was blowing that night. We came back and it was all over the scar and a fucking mess, mate. So I said, gotta call my main man Wallet, the Egyptian engineer. So he basically came down with all this rope and said, my man, you have to tie this rope across diagonally so that when the wind pulls it one direction, the rope pulls it another direction, and vice versa. And also make, obviously, just tie it round. You know, guys, if you want to put one up, just pause it. Kind of, it's not like rocket science. You can just tie it wherever, just make a structure. So then we added a couple of extra poles to make it a bit more sturdy. Secured it to the ground, actually laid the plank, whacked some screws into the plank, put some breeze blocks. We made the ground was not flat, so we spent actually a good few days making the ground flat. It's important, you know, if you're going to be lifting the car, if the ground is unsteady, you can end up with the car on top of you. So crucial that you make the floor kind of level. And if you're gonna put these slabs on, that these slabs don't rock about. So invest a good few days into, you know, preparation is always #1 rule on our program. Preparation. You know, I mean, we sell thousands of accessories online, and some of the accessories are self-adhesive. I always say, bloody take the alcohol wipe the shit off your car, because, you know, good shit don't stick to bad shit, and you know. You want to stick your good shit onto a clean car, so clean it. But people just take it, clean it off, fucking falls off, car's dirty, obviously gonna fall off. So preparation, friends. So then we put a couple of planks across as well, so give it a good structure, and then 2 planks kind of going across, and good, all secure now. I think it will withstand at least Hurricane Katrina, or maybe like Ivan motherfucker or someone else like this. And of course, it got blown to fuck, and I looked like a complete schmuck. Anyways, then, if you're lucky enough to have enough space for a car, I also kind of made a spray booth in there like this, you know? Because you don't want to be fucking carried away spraying shit, and then you turn around, and the pride and joy that you've been spraying a panel like this for, to stick on there, is all now black instead of red. You don't want that shit happening, do you? So obviously, just get a bin. You don't want any fancy tarpaulins or spend any money or anything like this. Get a bin bag, cut it, make it bigger, and just make yourself a room. Now no paint gets anywhere, so you can fucking spray yourself black if you wanna. Actually, we've got a black member of our team. We'll see if he turns any black or spraying in here. But yeah, that's for another show. Yeah, still to install the lights, all that work in progress, guys. See, as soon as we set up, we started making a show, because I know you can't wait for that shit. We're expanding. Never rest is our motto, boys and girls. Rest is for the dead motherfuckers. You sleep when you're dead. And right now we take a role of bush exterminators, because we exterminate the bush. So we fucking grab it like this, like an MMA, like Khabib did against Conor McGregor, and fucking yank it, look, oh you can't, look, fucking yeah. Like that, mate. Fucking show the fuck on it, like this, ooh. Right. Bush extermination. Then we're gonna have a storage area, you know what I'm saying? So all this hard work is not for nothing. So when you're bored doing something, move on to the next. That's right, baby.
This is West Coast nigga thinking. California quicksand got a nigga sinking. I can give a fuck what you bitches drinking. If you a baller, nigga, I'm a Hall of Famer. Lion tamer with 2, 4, 5 flamers. Understand that your life's in danger. Did your mama tell you not to talk to strangers, little nigga?
Bush and laid it down for death. You need to burn the bush. Like a witch, if you do not burn her, she'll come back to haunt you, just like the bush between your lovers ones. So, you take one of these, put a bit of petrol on there to burn the witch, and light it up, baby. Come here. Why are you being a pussy for? You have to film the evidence of the burn of the witch. Oh shit.
You're gonna need to get a stick. Don't do it by hand, mate.
Don't be such Russell. You're a
Don't
fucking
do it by
pussy. I've done
hand.
it a million fucking times. It's fine. It goes up like a fucking bonfire. I love it. See?
Oh no, it's gone out.
Done far way back before anything happened.
Oh yeah, you have to wear your gloves, by the way, guys. Important.
Protection,
What's it
protection.
called? Sometimes you have to get in the line of fire to save the fire. Here's your...
West Coast motherfucker. George Bush, George Clinton, Bill Clinton, Chris Farley, Chris Rock, Bob Marley, Rick James knew how to throw a party. Snoop Dogg, all the way to Cheech and Chong, Cypress Hill, Robert Downey hit the bomb, Ricky Williams, fuck how Miami feeling. This is West Coast nigga thinking. California quicksand got a nigga sinking. I can give a fuck what you niggas drinking. This is West Coast nigga thinking. California quicksand got a nigga sinking. I can give a fuck what you bitches drinking. If you a baller, nigga, I'm a Hall of Famer. Lion tamer with 2, 4, 5 flamers. Understand that your life's in danger. Did your mama tell you not to talk to strangers, little nigga? I'm the hillside strangler, have a banger, calling for the long ranger. Most rappers, they wanna fuck singers.
And as soon as we thought we'd get on a train to catch some fame, we had a hurricane. Yeah, sitting here chilling in my office. Not a bad office, I would say. Pretty warm. I'm about to turn green and start flowering in here in a minute. But we can't fucking get out because we had a hurricane and we're blocked by the tree. Oh well, just gotta stay in here and smoke a bit more then.
Stone, use a clone who don't know the shit you on unless it's on a motherfucking ringtone. I'm in the throne with 2 bottles of Patron. You need a loan to fuck with the family stone. Nigga gone, tell him Ice Cube is home. Gorilla niggas here.
So boys and girls, the morning after mini hurricane. Here we go. Fucking disaster. So our new little office is a bit covered. So what a fucking shitter.